This is going to be an epic video. I'm going to explain to you exactly how to go about self-improvement, what's the best things that you can do, exactly how to start reprogramming your mind. Basically, what you need to know about self-improvement, what you need to know of how to get started is which are the core habits that you should be doing. So everything has layers and you can go in more depth about every single one of these habits, and you're going to be getting better and better the more deliberate practice you put into it. So don't fall into the comfort of just doing it when you have been able to stick to them, right? You need to actually get really serious about it and try to improve every single time and across time. So this is what you'll do. The three cores of improvement habits are meditating, going to the gym, and reading. Meditation for the spirit, reading for the mind, and working out for the body, right? So what do you have to do then after doing these three things? Because you're going to realize that you got a lot of fucking time, more than you thought you had, especially if you get rid of all the bad habits. So what do you do about it? You start building something. You start developing a monetizable skill that you actually enjoy and that you believe it provides value to people. Or you can build a business, which is going to teach you a lot of other skills like sales, marketing, how to actually build a system that works and is replicable, how to build products, how to build offers, and you'll go into depth in a lot of those subjects. So yeah, whatever you do, you're going to be developing a skill. To understand how skills work, you should check out either this video or this other video. Um, but like I said, I don't want to digress here explaining that right now. So that's the foundation, the three cores of improvement habits. On top of that, you start building that ability you want to build. But how do you stick to those habits if you do not believe those are habits that align with your identity, right? So you go about it the following way. You learn how to shift your identity. Your identity is the way you perceive yourself. How do you shift that? Basically, you leverage affirmations. With meditation, going deep into your unconscious mind, you can also do the same, because when you are deep into your unconscious mind, basically when you have, let's say, when you have slowing down your brain waves, is when you are deep within your unconscious mind. That's why when you sleep, you got like really slow brain waves. When you are deep into meditation and you are mastering that shit, then you are able to tap into your unconscious mind. But since you might not be a master meditator already, you should begin with affirmations to solidify that habit in your life. Meditation and also the other three that we were talking about. The two core self-improvement habits that are left, and the working on your skill or business part. How do you do that? Well, I actually got a Notion template on the bottom description of this video that you can access. In there, I explain you in depth how to leverage affirmations, but I'm going to give you like a quick notion about that. Basically, you you the affirmations, how they work, just exactly how manifestation also works, is you do not ask for something that you want from the universe or whatever. What you actually do is you influence your unconscious mind to crave the kind of actions that are going to get you to that desired state. You are also going to use your unconscious mind to create, to actually instill in it the kind of thoughts or the kind of feelings that you are expecting to feel when you get to that state. So you make sure you do that, and you're golden, bro. Trust me, you are golden. The other thing I want you to do is basically build, well, now build your affirmations, but of course you got to do it once, twice a day. When you wake up, right when you wake up, and before going to bed. Those are the two best moments to do your affirmations, because those are the two moments in the day in which you are most susceptible to suggestion. How to build affirmations? Try to build them realistically, use sophisticated language, and make sure to make sure, like I said, to not ask for things, but actually try to ingrain into your mind that you want to do the habit, that you enjoy doing the habit, that you love it, that you do it actually, that you actually do it consistently. Go into the Notion template, get that free shit for you. I did it for you. It's fucking awesome. And just enjoy it, man. I'm here to help. I'll see you in the next one.